So welcome back to this Facebook ad course, beginner to expert training course by Ogbonna. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to verify the Facebook business email. So the email have landed on my email box, so I have to confirm. Look at it here. You can see 3 minutes ago. I don't know, maybe the thing was hiding somewhere. So I have to click on confirm to actually confirm my business email. So this is where we stop, and this is where I'm going to start from this particular video again. Right, let's wait for it to fully load so that we see how everything is working. I said your email address has already been updated. So let me verify, let me refresh this particular page to see whether this is going to be up or going to be here. So you need to verify all these things. These are the first important step you need to do, first of all, to actually get this thing up and running. So let's wait for this thing to fully load and show us the details and status of our account. My network is kind of a little bit slow. I'm using MTN network 4G. Right, so let's go down and say, okay, now everything is now verified. So what I'm going to do now, let me close up these tabs now to show you. The first thing here is the users. All right, for your business account, you come to people. This way on your business manager, this is where you add more people if you want them to help you to run advert, or you want to give people access to your account. You click on people, you click on add. This is where you need to select people's emails, and you go with the second step and second step and second step. All right, let me just say something like, let me just type my email address here. Let me show you. I'm not going to add this person, but I don't think I've created an account with it. Now click on next. Now here is where you need to select the people and the role you are giving them access to your business manager. Make sure that the person you are giving access to your business manager is a trustworthy person. That means that person must not be the person that will take over everything about your business manager, everything. So here we have app integration. If you want that person to only control some certain things, you click on manage. Okay. If you select something like no, that means that person doesn't have any role to play. That person can just be doing something, probably like someone that can have access to your business, control everything, your finances, or any way you want to just make that person to take control of. Then have finance. If you want that person to manage your ad transactions, maybe the person can manage your finances on your ad account. So click on manage, right? Then you click on everything is going to be managed. So everything, if you put it like this, that person is going to be manage everything. Now this is where you add everything. The person, the asset, they call it assets. You assign that person to everything to take full control of your ad account. That means you want that person to be helping you to run advert on your business. So here I don't want that person, I don't want to add any person for now. Let me click on no. Then in this place now, I've showed you what the system is. Alright, so click on here, you edit your permissions. Then we have partners. Alright, you have partners on your ad account. Now we don't have any partner to share assets with. Now they said give them permissions to work on your assets so that they can help you manage your pages or ads. If you want to add partners to your ad account, or you want to request somebody to partner with you on your business manager, you select this one. If you want to partner to share assets with, you select this one. If you want to request assets from somebody, all right, to work on their behalf, let me add a new partner and request assets to work on their behalf. That means you are working on somebody else's account with your own business manager. This is where you need to select. If you want somebody to work on your own account, you need to select this one. So you have system users, right? This system user is where you have people that can have system users like can manage your systems by yourself. You can allow, okay, they said all of the system users of your business will be listed here. Click on any system user to see and manage the assigned apps, the people who need access, and also the assets associated with them. If you want somebody, maybe you have added all of them in these people and partner. This is where you see all of them here. If you want to enlist, maybe enroll them on your business, you need to manage them in here. So I don't have anyone for now. This is just a particular. This one is just a new business manager. So I've come to accounts. Okay, I've done with the users. Let me go to pages. I don't have any page for now, so we are going to create pages when the time comes. So when you create a new page, you have two options here. You need to create a new page. You can see here, is that you create a new page or you request a new access. All right, you have add a page. Maybe you own a page already, you want to add it to your own business manager, you click on add a page. You have a page you want to manage for someone, you click on request access to a page. Or you want to create a particular new page entirely, you create a new page. We are going to be creating all these things in the subsequent videos coming up. We have add account. Basically, this is a new Facebook business manager. There's no ad account on it, so we need to create a new ad account to be able to run adverts. So without any ad account, you can't run adverts. Alright, so we need to create an ad account to be able to manage our ads and everything we want to use for business for purposes. So we have add. You click on this drop down menu, you have add an ad account. Let me say your business will control campaign and billing for this ad account. Claiming an ad account, move it to business manager. Right? If you want to, for example, you want to add accounts, that means you want to have access to someone else's ad account or request access to an ad account or even create one. So we are going to be creating one in this business, and I'm going to show you all these things in the subsequent videos coming up here. I'm just showing around business manager. Then we have business assets and groups, and this one, it doesn't have any much thing to do, so I don't usually go for this. It's not this way you need to access groups where you allow to connect assets, people and permission on all one places. So for me, I don't need to create all these things. I don't need this, don't need it for my business type, and it's not even needed. It's optional. So we have apps. Apps can be useful, but it's not needed. You don't need it for anything, so just leave it. Unless you want to go for fully into advertising campaigns for big companies, but you don't need it for anything. We have Instagram account. This is where you connect your Instagram account to your business manager so that you can run ads from your business manager and start showing on Facebook, on Instagram. So here you click on add. They're going to add you to select Instagram accounts, manage your content and everything inside everything particularly. So for here, I don't want to add any one. I'm going to be showing all this thing step by step. Like I said, this is a full course on Facebook ads systems. So I'm going to be showing you how to do all these things from the first beginning to the end. So the next one is WhatsApp account. Of course, you can connect your WhatsApp on your Facebook so that your business account or your page can have access to WhatsApp. So I'm going to be showing all these things in the subsequent videos coming up here. And the kind of WhatsApp like I recommended is business WhatsApp. So there's a lot of features on the business WhatsApp than the personal one. So here we have data source. Now, data source is where we set up our own tracking pixels. This is where we set up our own catalogs of our products. This particular section is very, very helpful if you want to have great result on Facebook ad system. This particular ad data sources is very, very important. It's very, very important. So we are going to be spending most time on data sources, and so that you understand everything about data source on Facebook, the pixels, offline event, data sets, custom conversions, event source groups, shared audience, and a whole lot of different things here. So we come to catalog. The first thing is catalog. Click on catalog here, and this is where you see allow Facebook. All of the Facebook catalogs that you have added to your business manager will be listed here. Now, catalog is a list of your products on your website or on your page. And I'm going to show you all these things when these things comes up. So this is going to be a full course on Facebook ads account. So click on add catalog. You can click request as text or create a new catalog for your business. So I'm going to show you how this and how it works. So this business and this course is suitable for both course creators, affiliate marketers, e-commerce guys, and everybody that wants to learn about Facebook ad accounts and how to use it for any business purposes. I'm going to be showing all these things inside this video. So I don't want you to pay for anything or pay for any Facebook ad accounts course. So we have pixels. This particular pixel is very, very important. You need this for everything. Okay, you need it for everything. They said we have made some changes on our platform. You cannot find this asset in the data source under data set. So you can see, like I've said before, this Facebook ad accounts have changed interfaces. So there's a lot of things that have moved from one point to another point, or one page to another page. So we have pixel or offline event. This is where you set up an offline event where you upload and manage data related to your offline activities. You can track, measure, and optimize ads and use it for remarketing. This place is very, very important, and I'm going to also be sharing some deep down insight on how to use it to get maximum results return of investment of your ad spend or campaign. You can click on add. Now look at how the thing looks like. Okay, you can read this thing to understand the offline event setups and everything. You click on accept. That means you have accepted everything. Please, this is going to take you time to read it. You can see the last effective date is on 25th of May 2018. That means the times is still up and running, so and it's still effective. Click on accept. Then click on accept. Then you select everything. You click on your offline events and upload and manage data. You know, everything possible on your ad account. This particular course, this session, I'm going to explain it as well in the subsequent videos. We have data sets. So there's no data sets available. We can event data sets currently disabled. I don't know why they disabled it, but anyways, let's see how it works in this video. Then we have constant conversions. We have constant conversions. Then this is constant conversion where you need to set up your own pixels. You need to set track record to track a particular lead, track a particular event on your landing page or your advert when you want to see what is happening behind closed door. When you're running ad, you want to see how Facebook is interacting with your ad and also interact with your prospects or customers. So everything you're going to be setting up here, you click on add constant conversion. They have two layers. We have add a constant conversions so that you can know what is moving and what is not moving. So create a constant conversion. I'm going to show you all these things where you create it. So let me go to the next one. That's event source groups. Now Facebook Analytics no longer uses event source groups. So anyway, they said business assets group have replaced event source groups in Facebook Analytics. Your event source groups have been automatically converted to business assets group. So that means they have changed this name to business assets group. So you need to create a business assets group to actually use it. So everything is still working. So let's go. Like I said before, everything has changed. Every new year, things do change on Facebook. So you need to be updated with what is happening. That's why I created this course for you. You have shared audience, right? You have shared audience, and there's no shared audience for anybody. Maybe this is where somebody shared an audience with you. You see it here. Then we have business creative folders. This is where you see your business creative folders and everything about it. Then you click on add. You create your own folders for any business. Let me say, for example, use business media folders, organize media associated with your advertising efforts and everything. So you need to just create on, let me say, at every given time, let me say you want to run advert for a particular object or a particular campaign for a particular business in a particular month. You click on, let's say we are in May. You say May campaign. I'll just say something like this. And you say all media running in March. Just create a folder for it. Then you organize your stuff so that you know what is working and what is not working. So you can pick folders and also see the asset inside it. So that's all for data source. Let's go for brand safety and usability. Please, this particular place is also very important and you need to learn it. So first of all is the domain names. Safety, domain names. It's very important and crucial that you must verify your domain name on Facebook Ad Manager so that Facebook will understand that this particular domain name is accepted to run advert in your business. So most times people just come to Facebook and they just started using it for everything. They don't even care about verifying their domain name, which is very important and also very crucial to your success on Facebook. It makes Facebook to understand your ad and also makes it to understand campaigns and the things you're using Facebook for. So here, click on add. You request access to a domain name or you add a domain name. So I'm going to be showing you all these things, why this course is still going on. So you have blocks list. You can add as many domains. You can add like 100 domains if you have. You have block lists, right? This way you manage. When you create a block list, this is where you see it. So you click on manage. You see your block list of the block things you have blocked in your account and stuff like that. For here, I don't have anyone. So if you click on blocks list, it is going to take you to a new page where you see the blog and everything you have created. Maybe the blog's list name, the time you applied it, and the status and everything about it. Let me just close up everything here. Please make sure you read this place to understand what is a blog list. So there's none here. There's none. So this is for your brand safety, to safeguard your business on Facebook. So let's move it back again. So if you like this video, if you are enjoying what you are learning, just give it a thumbs up. I'll also share this video, also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can receive more updates while this video is still coming up, and also turn on the notification bell so that in case I have a new video coming up, you'll be the first person to receive it. So I've talked about the block list. Let's go for registrations. Then let's go for registration now. News pages, right? News pages. You'll be able to manage your registration and add optional information about your publication once you have selected pages. Now there's no page I have on my account, so I need to create a page to be able to use this registration. Everything in your business manager, we are going to be discussing about it one by one. So I believe you love this video. Give it a thumbs up and also share it, and also invite your friends to learn from these videos. So we have integrations. Let's go for integration. This is where you connect your Facebook to other softwares. There's none connected app here, so I'll click on lead access. Right, I think is when I created my first. This particular place is going to open. All right, it's going to open when I created my business ad account and also start running ad. This is when this thing is going to open, I believe so. But anyway, let's how then payment method. Payment method is where you set up this particular page is very important, because without money you cannot run ad. There are different types of Facebook payment method. It's either you're using prepaid or postpaid. Now prepaid is you pay when you use Facebook ad. Postpaid is when Facebook charge you after running ad. But sometimes it's very crucial, and that particular place and that particular postpaid strategy might end up you losing your ad account or make it overcharged you on Facebook. So what we use mostly is prepaid. That means you pay for what you are using. So you click on add payment method. I'm going to be showing you all these things why this trend is still coming up. So let's go for security setup. This is where you set up your security settings of your account. You can see now we have known stuff here. So if I click on add domain, so I need to add another admin to be able to use it. So on everyone else, there's none. So click on request. Let's go for request. Let's see what is inside request. So there's no request sent for anybody to manage the account or pages. That's why I showed you can request for pages, business assets groups, and Instagram accounts and all these things. So you can see there's no request. So if there's any request you have sent, I will see it here. All right, so good notification is also important. All right, it's very important. So you need to set up everything so that you can receive notification for any information here. For me, I don't need any marketing updates. Just leave everything here. Programming, personal program updates. I don't need it. Newsletter. I don't need it. Events. I don't need events notification. So I don't need everything. Just leave it like that. Page. Okay, I need it. I need to know when my page is restricted. And ad account, leave it. Facebook and catalog, pixels, apps, and everything is important. So select the one you don't want. For me, my own is already set up like this by Facebook by default, so I leave it like this. Business information, I have done this already, so this is why I updated my business name and details. So and everything is here and it's working. So now I have setup guide. If I click on setup guide, I'm going to see what is inside setup guide. For now, this is just like a guideline to see how everything works. So guys, in the next video we are going to start with the first one, which is Facebook pages. Okay, Facebook pages and what you need to know about Facebook page. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.